Alright. Call me right now. I'll accept it. Call me right now. I love the cat. I love the cat. Call me up. I'll accept it. We'll see what happens. But if you're a fucking troublemaker, I'm not going to accept it. So. Alright. I'm going to look at my contacts. I'm going to look at my contacts right now. Alright, I'll add all of them. Here we go. We're going to see what happens. Here we go. We're going to see what happens. But if you fuck up, I'm going to have to disconnect you. Hey! No, you can't say that word. You can't say that word. Anyways, moving along. Who the fuck was that? I'm gonna probably block you right now. That was, well, you're probably gonna get blocked. I'm blocking you right now, so. That wasn't fucking cool. I mean, like, if you want to fucking chat about normal shit, let's talk about normal shit. But let's not fucking do stupid shit. Here's my topic for the night for Skype people. Favorite board games? Favorite TV shows? Favorite movies. So, if you have a favorite TV show, favorite movie, or TV show, call me up. I'll try this one. Hey!
What's up, man?
Hey, Beetlejuice, how you doing?
36.
Wait a minute here.
My hair's too big anyway.
Wait a minute, I turned the music off. Just wait a minute here. You sound like the real Beetlejuice.
No.
God damn, you sound like the real Beetlejuice, so I turned my fucking 80s off.
Yeah. What's up, man?
Is that the real Beetlejuice? Are you the real Beetlejuice from Howard Stern? That was in the New Jersey Project? The New Jersey Project? Oh, man.
Damn right.
You're the fucking man, dude.
That's right.
I don't know if it's someone fucking with me or fucking... I don't know if it's someone fucking with me or it's a Skype call. I don't know if someone's fucking with me. But real talk.
Yeah, I've been talking for 2 years.
That is the real Beetlejuice. This is the real Beetlejuice.
Thanks a lot, man.
This is the real Beetlejuice. This is the real Beetlejuice. Oh my fucking goodness. Real talk.
If I get 36, that means 35.
Beetlejuice lives in Marion Project of New Jersey.
They already got my car ready, all right.
Oh my goodness. I'm ready to put my gray muscle shirt on.
I can take care of that.
Oh my god. This is the real Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice is the #1 star of Howard Stern. And he's calling me on Skype right fucking now. Beetlejuice Real Talk is the #1 star on Howard Stern. That's real talk.
My name is Beetlejuice.
Your name's Beetlejuice? I don't know. Are you fucking with me? I don't know. It might be someone fucking with me, but...
It's very true, dude.
Oh, man. Beetlejuice, if that's the real Beetlejuice, oh, man. I remember when you were on Howard Stern, and they did a trivia contest, and you said carrot. It's a carrot. I think it's a carrot.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, whatever. I mean, like, hey, this is the real Beetlejuice.
I'll be juice.
Well, what do you think about Artie Lang? Tell me your opinion about Artie Lang.
I'm listening to God, though.
Because Artie Lang called you the N-word.
Yeah, I know that.
Artie Lang did call you the N-word one time.
Talk to the God to his face, buddy.
And here's Beetlejuice. I'll knock you off, bitch! I'll knock you off, bitch!
How can I take care of that?
Well, moving along, what did you think about Luke Hadley? You know, your manager that kind of passed away. I mean, do you have any comments about that? Luke Hadley passed away. So.
I'm a drinker, smoke weed, smoke coke, after whatever.
Well, what do you think about Gary the Retard doing shows on Thursday night?
I got to count up in 3 minutes, dude.
Well, I'm still not sure if this is the real Beetlejuice, but it sounds like it.
I got women that I like to choose, brother.
Well, Beetlejuice, do you want to do a shot with me? I'll do a shot with you. Actually, real talk, I had you on MySpace, but MySpace kind of sucks, but I did give you a message on MySpace.
Hey! Yeah, I understand that. I was in my head, dude.
That's Beetlejuice. This is the real Beetlejuice. This is the real Beetlejuice. Oh my goodness. This is the real Beetlejuice. Hey, you know what? Real talk. Beetlejuice, you can cam up, you can be the real, if you're the real Beetlejuice, you can cam up and Alki will pay you. Alki David, the billionaire, will pay you. Because you're way better than Gary the Retard. That's real talk.
Yeah. Beetlejuice, buddy.
I don't know if someone's fucking with me or not, but...
I'm a real woman, baby.
But if you're the real Beetlejuice, you know what, you can, oh, you know what, real talk? Oh, man. You're better than Gary the Retard. Gary the Retard ain't shit. Gary the Retard ain't shit.
How can I take care of that?
Well, you know what? Here's the real deal. Honest to God.
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about.
Alki David will pay you. He'll pay you money.
How many days?
I don't know. This sounds like a fake Beetlejuice to me.
I'm a tough guy. I've been doing it for all my life, brother.
It's fake Beetlejuice. Fake Beetlejuice.
Down, brother.
No, I hear song clips. I hear song clips, so. This ain't the real Beetlejuice. But you convinced me, with that, man. Enough of that. Beetlejuice, you still there? Shit. Well, I'm not sure if that was a real Beetlejuice or not, but that sounded just like him. That was the real Beetlejuice. That was the real Beetlejuice, but I think someone was fucking with me. Holly Ryder, your song sucks, bro. Holly Ryder, I'm ready to put my gray muscle shirt on. Bitch! Yeah, I'm trying to. Hey, did you think that was a fake Howard Stern guest?
Yeah, I think it was a fake Howard Stern guest.
Yeah, it was fake. Because I could tell, because it goes like this. Here, and there, here.